Exercise 13.6 students, exercise 13.6 is related to the volume of cylinder. So first we need to learn what is the formula, of volume formula of cylinder. Anyone in the chat box tell me, because when I solve the area, that time I have written the formula of volume formula of cylinder. So what is the, yes, pi r square h, where r is the base radius and h is the height. So what formula, volume formula of cylinder, that is pi r square h, pi r square h. Okay, so first question, the circumference of base cylinder vessels is 132 centimeter and its height 25 centimeter. How many liters of water, it can hold? Okay, so students, first of all, just I am a cylinder. Okay, a cylinder whose height is 25 centimeter. Height is 20, that is height. Okay, 25 centimeter, and base radius is sorry, that is height is one circumference of base, sorry, height is 25 centimeter and circumference of the base. So circumference of the base means that is base, and that circumference is 132 centimeter. So we have to calculate what is the volume of that cylinder. So cylinder having height 25 centimeter and circumference, first of all, circumference is a circle. That circumference, base of that cylinder is a circle, and circumference is given 132 centimeter. So if I want to calculate the volume, so we use the formula pi r square h, where h equal to height, that is given, but r is not given directly. So we have to calculate the radius of the base radius of the cylinder. So I am taking, that is question number 1. Let radius of base of cylinder equal to r centimeter. Okay, I am taking that radius r centimeter. If it is r centimeter, what will be the circumference? Tell me in the chat box quickly. If it is r centimeter, so what will be the circumference, base circumference? Quickly, yes, 2 pi r, because it is a circle. So circle circumference 2 pi r. Therefore, according to the question, 2 pi r equal to 132. Okay, any problem? That line, 2 pi r equal to 132, it is given, 132 is given. Okay, 132 is given and 2 pi r equal to 132. Got it, everyone? Next things, r equal to 132 by 2 pi. Pi means 22 and 7. Pi 6. 21. So what is the base radius? Base radius is 21 centimeter. Base radius is 21 centimeter. Okay, up to this, any problem? Up to this, anyone have any problem? No, very good. So base radius, it means that r equal to 21 centimeter. Now, how much water can it hold? How much water can it hold means, what is the volume of that cylinder? These two questions are same. How much water it can hold and what is the volume of cylinder? That these two questions have same answer, that is volume. Okay, that or capacity. So volume of the cylinder equal to volume of the cylinder equal to pi r square h. Pi r square h is the formula. Now pi equal to 22/7 r square, r equal to 21. So 21 into 21 into h. H means 25. Okay, h means 25. Now calculate it quickly. Calculate it quickly. Now 366 into 21 into 25. 66 into 21 into 25. So 66 into 21. So 21 66. 186. 1386 into 25. 1386 into 25. 1386 into 25. Now if we multiply 1386 into 25, that you will get 1386 25 pi r square is, that is 1386. Okay, 22/7. Any mistakes, students? 346. Okay, that is 3 into 22. Wait, students. 3 into 22, 66 into 21 into 25. 34650. Oh my god. Okay, wait. That is 1386 into 25. You will get 34650. Okay, 34650. Actually 1386 I have that equal to 0 5 6 4 and 3. 34650. Yes, students, that is 34650 is the, that is centimeter cube. That is the volume. Now in the question it is given, that is 1000 centimeter cube equal to 1 liter. 1000 centimeter equal to 1 liter. So if I change into liter, if I want to change it into the liter, that is 34650 liter. I will change it into liter. Then what I will multiply here, that is, if I that is centimeter cube. If I want to change into meter liter, so I have to divide it by 1000. Okay, any problem? Yes, divided by 1000. So 0 0 remove. So 34.65 liter. Okay, 34.65 liter. 34.65 liter is the capacity of the cylinder. First of all, any problem, students, regarding this question? Any problem? Otherwise I will move on the second question. Okay.